Okay, here's OBS, Open Broadcaster software for capturing your desktop, for example. I captured my desktop into a video and it created this file. It's an MP4 file and it is 1.4 gigabytes in size. Okay, after uploading this video to YouTube, although it looked good on the computer, it looked very bad on YouTube for some reason, I'm not sure. If we take a look here at settings and encoder, we can see that it used 30 megabits per second, and that 30 is visible here at properties and details. Also 30 megabits per second video was really bad on YouTube. Okay, how I solved the problem to make the video look good: I used Vegas Pro 17. I dragged that video onto the timeline and I saved it as another format. I saved it into Windows Media Video, and look at the size difference. It's more than 10 times smaller and the bitrate is the same. 30, it says 31 megabit. Okay, I typed in 30 only, but it says 31. And the quality of this one after uploading it to YouTube was much better compared to the large one. Okay, so how to do that? Simply come here to render as inside Vegas Pro and select from this list Windows Media Video 11. Choose any of that. Let's see the last one. Customize the template. That's the audio, that's fine. And that video, make sure you're using the original 1920 by 1080 width and height. Pixel aspect ratio, make it square. It was a 60 frames per second video, so use that one. And that bitrate, specify that 30 megabits per second. And in this way, okay, and render. I rendered my video, and on YouTube it looked much better. That's the Windows Media Video, and we can check it even in full screen, and it looks good. Okay, not exactly here because I'm showing a blurry part, but it is good. The text can be read. Okay, and the worst one was, let's see where it is. That's the Windows Media, and that's the MP4. Okay, so that's the bad video.
This was me.
Okay, we have to wait for the ads. Skip ads. And let's take a look. Things are moving here. Look how blurred everything is. Now let me take a look at another point here. Look once again back. Everything looks like it's blurred out. Around my cursor, everything is blurry. So I'm not sure what happened here. And the same video, if it's reconverted to a different format, it should decrease the quality. In this case, it kept it. Look at these moving elements here between the texts. You can't read that text, for example. Okay, so that was the bad quality. I even named it that way, low quality.